Today we're going to look at 2 fun snowman activities for toddlers. The first activity starts with reading There Was a Cold Lady Who Swallowed Some Snow. This book is great, as by the end of the story, the toddlers are able to guess what is created with all of the items the lady has swallowed. Then on to the craft. First, I drew an outline of a snowman on a piece of sketch paper. I would suggest something thicker like cardstock. I did staple this to a piece of cardboard later on. I also drew a cutout of a top hat. I provided decorating options for the mittens and the hat, markers, crayons, and crazy dots. Crazy dots were used on the gloves and markers on the hat. On to the marshmallows. I only put glue on one circle at a time so that the glue wouldn't dry during any marshmallow snack breaks. Then the hat was glued on, and for the final touch, candy eyes. Activity 2 centers around the book Snowman at Night. After reading the book, it is time to create a melting snowman. For this craft, we are going to use Puffy paint. As you can tell by my bowl, this is my second batch of the day. For the recipe, I used 1/4 cup of Elmer's glue and 3/4 cup of shaving cream. Then I stirred it all together. Next, I was going to add 4 teaspoons of flour, but with helping hands creating my first batch, I had 2 very full teaspoons, which ended up being plenty. Just stir your ingredients until everything is mixed together. For the snowman project, I put the Puffy paint into a plastic bag and cut the tip off. However, you can also put it into a squeeze bottle. This does take quite a bit of time to do, so if you have a child anxiously waiting, I would use a bag. My second batch will be used at a later time, so I put it in the bottle. Also, this recipe made just enough for 1 snowman. Just have your child squeeze the Puffy paint onto 1/4 of a sheet of poster board. You can give them a paintbrush to spread it around if you want. Then give them snowman accessories that you have drawn and cut out, or if you have a printer that you have printed. The children can then take these and put them onto their Puffy paint while it is still drying. And voila! You have a melting snowman. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn that bell on for notifications.